Alright, y'all, we made it. Uncle Nearest Distillery. Getting ready to take the tour. Yes, sir. What's that?
Main place of business back in the day, because our concession stand is kind of special though. It serves two purposes. The first purpose, we want to talk a little bit about some Tennessee history though. A lot of people might not know it, so a lot of this tour is about history. We like to inform you we're not just an average distillery. We're going to talk. People might not know that. How many people in the groups ever tried a Little Debbie snack cake? Those were invented right here in Tennessee. Goo-goo clusters, pies. Oh, I love moon pies. I can't get over that, but they were all invented right here in Tennessee, as well as Mountain Dew. A lot of people might know a little history about Mountain Dew. It was actually been as a lemon lime 15 cents around this bar. That was done on purpose. That actually represents the 18th Amendment. If you're not sure what the 18th Amendment is, it was probably the greatest federal experiment in United States history, prohibition. Now, some people want to say,
Always good.
but guys, did anybody actually have the chance to visit the Gulch in downtown Nashville? You of my Nashville people? Well, you might have noticed they have a set of wings that are kind of resemble these as well, but we think ours are a little special because they represent us here in Tennessee pretty good in three different ways: Tennessee whiskey, Tennessee walking horses, and Tennessee music. We are still an active horse farm today. You might notice in the far distance that is one of our training stables. We have horses that will actually come in from all over the world to get trained here on at our property by some of our world-class trainers. We're very proud of that aspect as well. Stop and, like I said, point out some of these pictures. This one right here is kind of one of my favorites. That's actually the building we just came from. We started the tour in. That was the main cell arena when it was a true horse. Our water, our barrels, we're making our whiskey in their stills. We did it right back here and we ate it. You know, until look at you.
I think he got me on this one there. He shorted me a little bit on this one.
Single barrel brick house. This is where we're actually aging all of our whiskey right now. This building is actually holding 1,800 barrels. We just, like I said, with us being such a small distillery, getting started out, we're making a lot of small batch whiskey at first. Very much to it. Hope you enjoyed it. Good.
Tennessee originals, y'all. Bet y'all didn't know all this stuff was made or started here in Tennessee. I didn't even know Mountain Dew was started here in Tennessee.
I didn't know Mountain Dew started here.
All these are Tennessee originals. This one I did not know Mountain Dew. I definitely didn't know that. Look at that.